Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and you guys know who I am if you've been watching my channel for a little bit. I'm always looking to find the best smart home technology, and as of late, I've been on the hunt for self-cleaning robot vacuum cleaners. There are so many on the market, but this one right here is different. And a big thanks to Dreametech for sponsoring this video, but all opinions are my own. And let me tell you how it's different and how I've been using it. So right away, its design and the look of it, it's different. It's totally different. It's much bigger than other ones out there, and it has this different shape. It's shaped like a D. Now this trait alone makes it easier for it to clean up in corners of your home, which other robot vacuum cleaners may have a difficulty doing compared to other robot vacuum cleaners that are circular shaped. What makes the Dreametech W10 unique is that it can do vacuuming and mopping simultaneously, or in the settings you can just have it do mopping or just have it do vacuuming. It doesn't matter, but it does two things at the same time pretty easily. Now for vacuuming, it has a large 19.2 centimeter roller brush, which covers a lot more area than other vacuums, and you get up to 4,000 PA of suction power. The power really comes in handy for cleaning up a lot of spills, like for example, M&Ms or like loose oatmeal that just happens to pop up around the house when you have a 3-year-old running around. Now there's also a special supersonic carpet detection feature. Now what that does is automatically boost power when working on carpet. And with this, it also avoids carpet if it's in mopping mode. You get around 450 milliliters of storage to collect the dust and debris, and it also has a comb-like design of the brush that helps with the cleaning process overall. Now for its mopping technology, things are much more in depth. It's a double rotary mop which presses closely against the floor. It essentially rotates forward with a 180 RPM and constant downward pressure, so any hard to remove stains from coffee or juice can easily be taken care of. It also has a feature that I found to be really cool. It's that hot drying feature. Now, most of the mops you have nowadays don't give that feature built in. It mops the floor, but your floor is still wet after the fact. It is a bit different. It generates hot air, and this hot air gives you a more hygienic experience. It removes any bad smells, mold, or bacteria, which I definitely think is great. The capacity of the robot for mopping is 4 liters. You get a separate tank for clean water, and then you get one for dirty water. And you should be covered as it does around 200 square meters of cleaning. I do think it's important to talk about the navigation technology behind the robot vacuum. As I mentioned, it's designed obviously to help with getting around corners, but it also comes with advanced LDS LiDAR navigation. This enables the robot to scan, map, and plan cleaning procedures all over your home without it colliding into stuff or falling off the steps. It literally builds a map, and over time it finds the most efficient way to clean your home. There's a lot of cleaning settings that you can access via the smartphone application, and I can actually make a whole video talking about settings, but let me tell you some of my favorite ones. You can set virtual no-go zones, enable zones, or selected cleaning, and more specifically, room by room cleaning. And I think one of the most convenient aspects is that you can save up to 3 separate maps, so you don't need it to build maps over and over again. If you want to use the robot otherwise, it also works with voice commands, so you can tell your Google Assistant or you can tell your Amazon Assistant to clean the house, and your Dreametech W10 will roll into action. And if you look at it, it is a great robot vacuum cleaner for even bigger homes because it has large enough storage to hold the debris and hold the dust. It doesn't have a little bin, it's pretty large. Also, it's a very capable 6,400 milliamp battery. And this gives you a lot of cleaning, around 3.5 hours. And if it runs out of battery, it can automatically go back to the charging station, do its thing, and head right back to where it left off at. But once again, 3.5 hours of cleaning, I'm sure it will clean your house. The Dreametech W10 self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop is one of the most versatile options I've come across. It genuinely makes cleaning more efficient and enjoyable, and I gotta be honest, I think this looks really good in my house. It has this futuristic feel, it looks premium, and yeah, you know, just one of those things that I really like looking at. You can check out Dream from my links below. And once again, a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. As always, this is Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you have any thoughts, sound off down below, hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.